Hi, welcome everyone for this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about JavaScript's objects. Under software development practices, we are going in Unit 5, we are going to discuss about JavaScript objects. So basically, what is mean an object? For example, we take an example of a car. Car is an object. It consists of a property as well as methods. Properties in the sense that the model name, model number of the car, or the model name of the car, or the capacity of the car, or the type of manufacture of the car which belongs to the property. Method, in the case, it defines about there are two methods. Car can be start, that is car start method, and car can be stopped, that is car stop method. All JavaScript elements are objects except primitive data types. Example: Boolean, numbers, strings, dates, math operations, regular expressions, arrays, functions, and objects. JavaScript variables can contain single values, that is, let person equal to Alexa. For example, we are going to give a single value, that is, let person equal to Alexa. For example, in the same way, let car equal to Maruti, we can have it. So for a single value, we will be using let. For if we want some other values, that is, we want to have the model of the car and the type of the car and the value of the car to be added, it may contain JavaScript variables can also contain many values. The objects are variable too, but objects can contain many values. The objects values are written as name, semicolon, value pairs. So let person equal to first name colon John, last name colon Dove, age colon 50, eye color colon blue. Here you can see the several value pairs are given here. First name, a value pair is given, a name, last name, a value pair is given, age, a value pair, eye color, a value pair is given for a single object. You can see in this example, that is, the example starts with the heading tag h2, which contains a JavaScript, and a paragraph tag creating an object, and we have an ID name is called demo. Then we are opening a script tag. In script tag, we are giving let person, that is let variable equal to first name value equal to John, last name value equal to Dove, age equal to 50, eye color equal to blue. That is equal to, in the case we are giving a value for such a names, we are giving a value for. Then we are closing the braces. Then we are coming for the next line, document.getElement by ID of demo. We are calling that ID selector dot inner HTML equal to person dot first name plus double quotation plus person dot last name. So what we are going to display, what is the first name of the person and the last name of the person, we are going to display in an output. We have four value pairs, that is John is a value pair, Dove is a value pair, 50 is a value pair, blue is another value pair, but we are going to display only two set of value pair in the outputs, and we are closed by script tag, and we are closing the body tag, and we are again closing the HTML tag. You can see the output right now. This is an h2 heading tag, this is an paragraph tag, this is an first name of, that is called John, this is a second name called Dove. So object methods. The methods are actions that can be performed on objects. Objects properties can be both primitive values, comma, other objects and functions. An object method is an object property containing a function definition. JavaScript objects are container for named values called properties and methods, creating own objects. In JavaScript, we can create and our own objects. Ways to create our own object. Create a single object using an object literal. They are comma separated values. Those values can be properties and functions. Example, where greeting equal to full name, value is given, greet message command name equal to greater than symbol, console.log equal to message plus name. We are closing the braces, then curly braces. Create a single object with the keyword new. Create an object constructor and then create objects of constructor type. create an object using object.create. So these are the methods we can create the JavaScript objects. Here you can see the another example using an object literals. We are using in last example we are using the let person. Now we are using the const person. That is for incrementing the value pairs we can use let and const. Same way is given a heading tag and paragraph tag and id tag equal to demo and script const person equal to first name dot John, last date dove, age 5, eye color blue. Then document dot get element of by id we are calling the demo function dot inner dot html person dot first name. Then we are giving another output function that is and person dot ages plus year of old. So what will be coming here? Person dot age will be an John. This is will be coming. John is person age 50. So John is 50 years old. Then closing the script tag. You can see the output here. John is 50 years old. This is another example. Object literals empty object. In the case const person equal to we are giving an empty object, where in the last example we are given all this first name value pairs in the const person. Now we are giving empty object. Person dot first name is directly given in the program. Document.getElement we are calling the demo functions inner.html first name, then his person.first name John will be this coming here and his and age will be 50 and age. So here also is getting the same output. John is 50 years old. This is a program without an object literals. So we have seen three types of programs, that is object, creating an object, then creating an object with literals and creating objects literals and empty objects.